Hey guys, what's up? My name is Daniel the Zilonia. Okay, so that should be my brand name actually. So in this particular video, first I need to welcome the newbies. Okay, for joining the cult. Okay, for joining the cult, of course. Okay, and there is something I really want to say first before we start the Insta Builder video, which you need to understand. Okay, if you're actually joining this group for the first time, okay, so I am a student like you, okay, so I try as much as possible to have time to show you how you wouldn't be confused. Okay, now there is two ways to this stuff, okay, and you just have to follow it diligently. Number one, you have to listen to the audios. I do that virtually every day. Okay, I need to change my mentality to be making million like the boss himself or you. So number one, what you need to understand is there are two ways into this stuff. Is either you go through the packages being sent to you, okay, or you formulate your own idea. Okay, thinking of a product to sell is not difficult. Okay, you just think of a problem and think of a solution to sell the problem and get a solution. Sorry, what am I even saying? Get people to pay you for your solution, of course. Okay, so now this video is not about all these stuff. Boss has actually been doing all those stuff. Okay, that's not my own business, that's boss business. Mine is just to make sure you understand how to set up your sales page. Okay, and we actually said I wouldn't even advise, just like Mama and Nafisa had said, I wouldn't advise you starting with Profit Builder. Okay, so make sure you go with the Insta Builder, and Insta Builder is the easiest and sweetest. Okay, so Profit Builder is a bit advanced. Okay, you need to understand some technical stuff. Okay, Insta Builder, you just put it on a page and do some little editing, you're done. Okay, so you start with the simple one first, then subsequently you can choose to go to the advanced one, which is Profit Builder. Okay, so in this class we actually started something on Insta Builder, which you can actually check. In fact, if you are joining this group for the first time, always check the video section so that you don't be asking annoying questions. Okay, because most times we wouldn't, if you're going to send us a PM or so, ask something strong, not hello, I don't know how to download this builder. Are you serious? This is a cult. Okay, we are not petting anybody here. Okay, we are students like you and we are really moving forward, and we really want you to move forward too. So be ready to hit the dick on the peanut, of course, something like that also. So we are started now. Today I'm going to be showing some cool features you can actually see on the Insta Builder 2.0. Okay, now I will be using this my website as a sample, a website I create for my pack. Okay, so Infocash pack dot WhatsApp center is a software I'm selling. Okay, I'm still developing the website, so I believe you can see some cool features on the website. Okay, so let's go Infocash pack WP. So let's wait for the website to open. So you see how sweet it's stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this bar. Make sure you read this message to the end. I'm going to show you how to make this in turn. Okay, for those who have actually gone a little bit ahead in Insta Builder. Okay, so and all this flipping stuff. Okay, you see, so this video will just cover all how to do this thing, but don't do too much of it. Okay, and how to make you know all those kind of websites whereby by the time you don't read everything finish, maybe the package is sold for $200, all those foreign websites, and you be like, you check your account balance and you're saying like, man, I don't have anything up to $200, what I have is like $100. I will leave this thing when I have money to buy. Then you click on the exit button, then there will be a pop-up. Now sample of I don't know if it's gonna work here. You see what I'm talking about? This page is asking you to convert that you want to leave. Now if they click stay on this page, there should be a pop-up which I have not yet edited. Okay, like a cut. Maybe if you have seen all those foreign for website, they actually notice that you want to leave the page and they will like, okay, how about we give you a 48 hours discount, instead of paying $200 you pay $50. You understand? So something like that. So I'll be showing you how you can do all these stuff now, and I just hope we can finish on this video. I don't want the video to exceed 10 minutes, so I'll be very fast. So this is it. Now let me reload this page. This is my WordPress. I come to my Insta Builder here. Okay, you can see the first flap. This is the first feature, animated feature. This is the second one. I wanted doing this too. This is a video here. So you can see it here. WhatsApp Sender Pro. I click on the folder. I actually save it on the folder, and I click on edit. This is the edit button. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can do the flapping and the jumping and the appearing and disappearing. Now all these things are covered on the page settings. Okay, please, if you're a newbie, you have to watch the previous video. If not, you'll get confused over this one. So This video is very important for you. Make sure you watch the previous one first. If not, you get confused over this particular video. So the first feature, which is this, you come here to the settings. Okay, page settings. Now I'm in page settings and advanced. Nope. The background image, you can change the image if you want. I can choose to change this image, okay, but I don't want. This is not where I'm coming. These are the things I want. Okay, attention bar, which is this. You can see it here. Make sure you read the messages. There should be a link. If you want a link, you can put a link, but I don't want a link here. Okay, so you see, I can just remove it. You see, but it's there now. So 5. So that's the first one. The second one is attention bar. Okay, pop-up settings. Okay, every time it loads, enable pop-up. Maybe there should be a pop-up. Okay, but I wouldn't want a pop-up. You can work on that. Edit pop-up. Okay, so I need to edit it first. You see, that's a pop-up. There should be a pop-up every time the page is loaded. First time, you can go about all these stuff, okay, and try to understand how they are actually done. Okay, and another thing again is the bottom slider. Okay, you can actually work on that too. Okay, so if you want to work on the animation of each text, okay, animation of each text, all you have to do is come here, and I'm going to click on this stuff. This is to edit, this is to copy, this is to delete, and this is the settings. You come to the settings. This is the settings. You can see it here. You can see the settings. So I actually choose fold. So I can choose maybe explode. They are all here. So I can choose bounce. I can choose shake. I can choose fade in down. Okay, I can use fade in left, or let's use poof. I don't know what is poof, but let's just give it a shot. Okay. Then you save. Let's give it a shot. Reload the page. It's gonna write this stuff. So WhatsApp. Okay. Let me just click here. Let's see how the thing appears. Wow, it's cool. I love this. So you can see how I did the stuff here right from the settings, which you can actually work for your own page. So you can actually go with the rest. If I want this to have some animated features, I can actually work on that too. And this text, if I want to have its own animated feature, always make sure you hide the panel for any previous feature you actually worked on. So I'm going to click on the settings here, and if I want an animation, I can just do it here and click display animation. Maybe let's go for bounce. Okay, bounce. Then I save it, then I hide panel again. Make sure you have a good, very strong network. If not, this stuff is not going to work. Okay, so let's click visit page here, and you can see the first one is bouncing. Okay, this one already. You see the second feature here. You can see. I said I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. Okay, so if you want to, like this image now, I can maybe give it a certain still. I want it to be animated, of course. Okay, image flap in X, bounce in right. Okay, this is cool. So there is a sidebar here, which is here. So I can just save it here. So let's give it a try again. Let's give it a try. List page, visit page. Let's see how it's gonna come up. This is the first one. This is the second one. You can see how it's checking. This is the third one. And what's up? Okay, let's go back again. What's wrong? What's wrong? Keep the margin bounce right. Okay. Okay, hide this. Go back to settings. Bounce right. Let's check something. Let me just choose rotate. Let's choose rotate and save. So let's give it a go. This page, visit page. I want to go to the image. Okay, so it already bounced. We came late, so let's give it a go again. I click on the visit page. Okay, first, second, third. You can see it. You can see, wow, this is cool. This is cool, guys. So you can work on your own page. You can work on your own page and give it some very sweet features. Okay, 2, 3. So I think it must have been, So how many minutes? 9. I don't want this video to be done. So let's check something again. Pop-up settings button. Exit splash. Okay, love, actually that is it. Okay, instead of selling for, okay, hello. I'm actually working on the page. I won't tell you my secret, of course. Yeah, click on save. Okay, so let's visit the site again. Last time, see the checking, share the checking. See, leave it, stay on page. Hello, you can see it, right? So watch the video gradually and you understand everything I did, even though I'm still working on this particular package, which I'm gonna make some bucks from. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have any questions, drop your question on the comments below, and do have a nice day. My name is Desilonia.